Many schools lock down Chromebooks to limit access to certain websites. This can make it hard to reach useful resources, research sites, or even learning tools. There are legal ways to unblock sites safely on a school Chromebook, and this video will show step-by-step methods that work without breaking school rules. Before starting, use the link in the description to get NordVPN for a great price. It will help you follow the steps easily because NordVPN works on almost every Chromebook setup. A VPN is the main tool for this. It hides your online activity from the school network and encrypts your connection, which keeps your browsing private. Some school networks block websites automatically, and a VPN lets you access them legally for research, educational resources, or personal study. This video is only for educational purposes, and you should always follow your school's guidelines. The first method works if your school allows VPN extensions on the Chrome Web Store. On your Chromebook, open the Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for NordVPN. You will see the official NordVPN Chrome extension. Click on it and add it to Chrome. After installation, click the NordVPN icon near the top right of the browser. Sign into your account, then turn it on. The VPN will start routing your browser traffic through its secure servers. This method protects your Chrome browser traffic and is very quick to set up. If your school has blocked the Chrome Web Store, the next option is to use the NordVPN Android app, but this only works on Chromebooks that support the Google Play Store. To check this, open your Chromebook settings. Look for apps and see if the option for the Play Store is available. If it is, click on it and enable it. Then open the Play Store and search for NordVPN. Install the NordVPN app, just like on an Android phone. Open it, sign in, choose a server, and turn it on. This method protects the entire Chromebook system and gives you strong, full device protection.